Bring beauty and strength to backyard shade structures and DIY builds with the Simpson Strong-Tie Outdoor Accents line. Offered in an accentuating black powder coat finish, the Simpson Strong-Tie lines of structural hardware will highlight your backyard build. Offered in two designs, the Avant and Mission collections, the decorative structural hardware from Simpson Strong-Tie provides a finished look to your design with the hardware you'll love to showcase. The Mission collection features a rustic Western profile with rounded half-circle ends and beveled layers for extra detail. The Avant collection, however, boasts timeless chamfered edges to complete a strong minimalist appeal along with its incredible structural strength. Crafted from Z-Max galvanized steel with a rich matte black powder coat finish, the Simpson Strong-Tie Outdoor Accents collections are building code compliant and beautiful all at once. The Simpson Strong-Tie Avant and Mission collections are available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your deck design, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your project.